Okay, this is my pull station. I pull it like this when I'm not at school. I can do this. Don't actually do this one. This one like messes it up. This one makes it wait, it's actually already reset, but okay, this is fine. This is how, and it's already set. It's already set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.